Alright, boys and girls, this is Unit 6, Lesson 7, Reasoning About Solving Equations, Part 1. So there is a proportional relationship between the volume of a sample of helium in liters and the mass of that sample in grams. If the mass of a sample is 5 grams, its volume is 28 liters. And this is shown on the graph below. It wants to know what is the constant of proportionality in this relationship. So remember, we're taking our y divided by our x. So we're going to take our 28 divided by 5. And our constant is 5 6/10. So that's 5.6 liters per gram. In this situation, what is the meaning of the number you found in Part A? Well, this tells me that for our volume of 1 gram of helium is 5.6 liters, right? Because here we had 5.6 liters per gram, so every 1 gram of helium is 5.6 liters. Add at least 3 more points on the graph above and label with their coordinates. So it doesn't matter, I can pick anything, as you should also just pick anything. Let's say I wanted to plot something at 12, so I would take 12 times my constant 5.6, 67.2, so 12, and here's 70, so probably about here, 12 and 67.2. You should definitely have different points on your graph. Let's see, I want to do 20 and 5 6/10, it's 112, so 20, here's 110, 112, and I need to pick one more. Let's do 2, 11.2, there we go. Alright, so add at least 3 more points on the graph and label with their coordinates, which I did. And then do you write an equation that shows the relationship between the mass of a sample of helium and its volume. You use m for mass and v for volume. So m is for mass and v is for volume. Okay, my mass is in grams, liters is my volume. So it's going to be v equals my constant 5.6 times m, and that's what I did. I took my mass here times 5.6. Whoops! I took my mass here times 5.6 to get that volume. All right. Explain how the parts of the balanced hanger compare to the parts of the equation. All right. Well, 7 is represented by these 7 squares here. So this is the squares on the left side of the hanger. And my equal sign is here in the middle. So equal sign is the middle of the hanger. Um, 2x, let's see. This right here is my 2x, so that's my 2 circles. And plus 3, 3 is my 3 squares on this side. So let's see. Explain all the parts of the balanced hanger compared to parts. Okay, we did that. 3. Here is the hanger. Write an equation to represent the hanger. Okay, well I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 x's, so I have 5x plus 2 more. Equal sign is in between, 17. If I was to solve this, right, with the hanger I could take 2 away from each side, so this would leave me with 15, and 15 I would split evenly between 5, so each of these would have to be worth 3. If I was using the equation, remember we split it at the equal sign, I would subtract 2 from both sides. That cancels. I have 5x equals 15. Divide both sides by 5. X equals 3. So either way, I would get 3. All right, please let me know if you have questions.